welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a very easy tutorial on how to draw a cute cat digitally or just by simply using a pencil. But before we begin, support this channel by subscribing, also drop a like and click the bell button. Without further ado, let's get started. First, draw a circle. Then, draw an oval. Draw two triangles on the head to represent the ears. Draw on the edge an S for the tail. Draw what looks like upside down triangles for the legs. Erase the excess lines. Then draw the main lines and add more details. Color the cat with a solid color. Start showing more details through coloring. This is my favorite step since the cat's true shape appears and makes it look more alive. The background to make some contrast. the cat is done. I hope you like this video. Please support by subscribing. Also, drop a like and click the bell button so you don't miss any of these fun tutorials. Oh, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Bye!